Last week, a customer brought her 2020 ES350 in for service. She'd owned it for 3 years, loved everything about it, thought she knew the car inside and out. Then, I showed her the hidden umbrella storage in her door panel. Her exact words? "You're kidding me. I've been getting soaked for 3 years and this was here the whole time." That moment happens in my shop at least twice a week. Lexus owners discover features they never knew existed, despite reading the manual and watching YouTube videos. Here's why. Lexus packs their vehicles with sophisticated features that aren't obvious or well advertised. Some are hidden for design aesthetics, others are buried in menus. Many are simply never explained by sales staff who don't fully understand them. I've been working on Lexus vehicles for over 2 decades, and I'm still discovering clever engineering touches that most owners never find. Today, I'm sharing 8 features that will change how you think about your Lexus. These aren't gimmicks or useless add-ons. These are genuinely useful capabilities that make ownership better. Some will save you money. Others will improve safety. All of them will make you appreciate the engineering that goes into every Lexus. Keep watching, because the last one is a safety feature that could literally save your life. Let's discover what your Lexus has been hiding. Secret 1. The intelligent parking assist you've been ignoring. Your Lexus can parallel park itself perfectly every single time. Most owners either don't know this feature exists or have tried it once and given up because they didn't understand how it worked. Here's what most people don't realize. The system doesn't just steer. It tells you exactly when to shift gears and when to brake. On newer Lexus models with Intelligent Park Assist, drive slowly past the parking space at less than 12 miles per hour. Press the Park Assist button, usually on the center console. The system scans for suitable spaces and displays them on your screen. Select the space you want and follow the on-screen instructions. The system steers automatically while you control the gas and brake. The key is following instructions precisely. When it says shift to reverse, do it immediately. When it says brake, stop completely. I've watched this system park in spaces that looked impossibly tight. The sensors measure to the millimeter, far more accurately than human judgment. Why don't more people use it? Because the manual makes it sound complicated, and dealers rarely demonstrate it properly. Try it in an empty parking lot first. Once you understand the process, you'll use it constantly in tight urban parking situations. Secret 2. Your key fob has a panic button that actually works. Everyone knows about the panic button, but almost nobody knows about its hidden safety feature. Press and hold the panic button for 3 full seconds, and your Lexus does more than just honk and flash. On many newer models, the system unlocks all doors for quick exit, rolls down all windows for better visibility and escape, turns on all exterior lights to attract attention, triggers the horn continuously until you deactivate it. This isn't just for car alarms. It's a legitimate safety feature for threatening situations. Can't find your Lexus in a massive parking lot? The panic button makes it visible and audible from hundreds of feet away. Feeling unsafe while approaching your car? Activate it from a distance to scare off anyone hiding nearby. There's also a sequential press feature many owners miss. Press lock on your key fob 3 times rapidly, and many Lexus models will automatically roll up all windows and close the sunroof. Perfect for when you've walked away and realized you left windows open. Secret 3. The adjustable speed limiter that prevents speeding tickets. Your Lexus has a speed limiter that prevents you from exceeding a preset speed, regardless of how hard you press the accelerator. This is different from cruise control. You're still controlling the car, but it physically won't go faster than your set limit. Where is this useful? School zones, construction areas, anywhere with variable speed limits and heavy enforcement. To activate the speed limiter, press the cruise control stalk and look for the speed limit icon on your display. Set your maximum speed using the plus-minus controls. Drive normally. The car will accelerate up to that speed and stop, even with the pedal floored. You can still brake and slow down, but you can't speed up beyond the limit. This feature is standard on most Lexus models from 2018 onward, but fewer than 10% of owners know it exists. Why don't dealers mention it? Because it's buried in the cruise control system and easy to overlook. Use it in your neighborhood where kids play. Use it in areas with aggressive speed enforcement. It's passive protection against expensive tickets. Secret 4. Your Lexus remembers. 3 different drivers. Modern Lexus models can store complete driver profiles, adjusting everything automatically based on who's driving. We're not just talking about seat position. We're talking about seat position and lumbar support mirror angles, both side mirrors, steering wheel height and reach climate control preferences, radio presets and audio settings, navigation favorites, display brightness and settings. Set up your profile once, and your Lexus recognizes you by key fob. Here's how to set it up properly. Adjust everything exactly how you want it. Seat, mirrors, steering wheel, climate. Press and hold the set button on your door panel. While holding set, press either the 1, 2, or 3 memory button. The system saves everything instantly. Now assign that profile to your specific key fob. Go into vehicle settings on your display screen. Find the driver memory settings. Link your profile number to your key fob ID. When you unlock the car with your key, everything adjusts automatically before you even open the door. This is life-changing for households where multiple people drive the same Lexus. No more adjusting everything every time you get in. Most owners know about seat memory, but don't realize how comprehensive the system actually is. Secret 5. The automatic high beam system actually works perfectly. Your Lexus can automatically switch between high and low beams based on oncoming traffic. Most owners tried this feature once, didn't like how it worked, and never used it again. Here's what they missed. There are sensitivity settings you can adjust. The automatic high beam system uses a camera in the windshield to detect other vehicles' lights. When it sees headlights or taillights, it switches to low beams. When the road is clear, it switches back to high beams. The problem most people encounter: the system is too sensitive or not sensitive enough by default. You can adjust it. Go into vehicle settings on your display. Find the lighting or driver assist section. Look for automatic high beam sensitivity settings. Adjust between low, medium, and high sensitivity. Low sensitivity keeps high beams on longer before switching. High sensitivity switches to low beams more quickly and at greater distances. Set it to high sensitivity in urban areas with lots of traffic. Set it to low sensitivity on rural highways where you want maximum visibility. Once properly calibrated, this system is incredibly convenient. You get maximum visibility without manually toggling high beams constantly. Secret 6. Your Lexus knows when you're too tired to drive safely. Modern Lexus models have driver attention monitoring that tracks your alertness level. The system monitors steering input patterns, lane departure frequency, time of day, and trip duration, facial recognition on newer models with cameras. When the system detects drowsiness or distraction, it displays a coffee cup icon and suggests taking a break. Most owners ignore this warning or don't understand what triggered it. Here's what's actually happening. The system detected micro corrections in your steering, suggesting you're not fully alert, or you've been driving for hours without stopping, or facial recognition shows your eyes closing longer than normal blinks. This isn't nagging. This is potentially life-saving technology. When you see the coffee cup icon, take it seriously. Pull over at the next safe location. Take a 15-minute break minimum. Walk around and stretch. Have some water or coffee if available. Drowsy driving causes more accidents than most people realize. This system provides early warning before you reach dangerous fatigue levels. Some newer Lexus models even suggest nearby rest areas or coffee shops through the navigation system when drowsiness is detected. Secret 7. The emergency assistance button does more than you think. That SOS button in your overhead console isn't just for accidents. Yes, it connects you to emergency services after a collision, but it has other capabilities most owners never use. Roadside assistance, press and hold for non-emergency help, dead battery, flat tire, locked keys in the car, stolen vehicle tracking. If your Lexus is stolen, this system can track its location and relay information to police. Automatic crash notification. In severe impacts, the system automatically calls emergency services even if you're unconscious. Remote door unlock. Call Lexus support, verify ownership, and they can unlock your doors remotely if you're locked out. The system works through cellular connection built into your Lexus. As long as you have an active subscription, usually included for 3 years with new vehicles, these services are available 24/7. Many owners let their subscription lapse without realizing how valuable these services are. Cost of keeping it active? Usually $100 to $200 per year. Cost of a single tow truck call? Often $150 to $300. The peace of mind alone justifies the subscription cost. Secret 8. Your Lexus can drive itself more than you think. This is the feature that will blow your mind if you haven't explored it fully. Modern Lexus models with dynamic radar cruise control and lane tracing assist can essentially drive themselves on highways. We're not talking about occasional steering assistance. We're talking about hands-on supervised autonomous driving. Here's what the system actually does. Maintain set speed or adjust speed based on traffic ahead. Keeps your Lexus centered in the lane automatically. Follows curves and gentle turns without input, adjusts following distance based on traffic conditions, can bring the vehicle to a complete stop in traffic and resume automatically. To use it properly, activate cruise control and set your desired speed. Press the lane tracing assist button, usually on the steering wheel. The system takes over steering to keep you centered. You must keep your hands on the wheel. The system monitors for hand presence. The vehicle will navigate highway traffic with minimal input from you. This isn't full self-driving, but it's remarkably capable for long highway drives. The key is understanding the system's limitations. It works best on well-marked highways. It struggles in heavy rain or snow that obscures lane markings. It requires periodic steering input to confirm your alert. It won't navigate complex intersections or make lane changes on its own. Within these parameters, it's like having a co-pilot that handles the tedious parts of highway driving. I've talked to Lexus owners who drove for months without realizing this capability existed. Once they tried it, they used it constantly on commutes and road trips. It reduces driver fatigue dramatically and makes long drives much less stressful. Why these features remain hidden? Lexus packs their vehicles with sophisticated technology, but they don't always explain it well. Sales staff often don't fully understand advanced features. They focus on selling the car, not educating about every capability. Owner's manuals are comprehensive but overwhelming. Most people don't read 400 pages of technical documentation. Features are buried in menus and settings, making discovery difficult without guidance. That's why so many Lexus owners drive for years without discovering capabilities that would improve their daily driving experience. These aren't gimmicks or marketing features. These are genuinely useful technologies that Lexus engineers spent years developing and perfecting. Take an afternoon to explore your Lexus's settings menus. Read through the technology sections of your manual. You'll be amazed at what you discover. Your Lexus is far more capable than you realize. These hidden features are waiting to make your ownership experience better, safer, and more enjoyable. Start experimenting with these 8 features today, and you'll understand why Lexus has a reputation for thoughtful engineering that goes far beyond luxury and reliability. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to watch this next video as we're sharing insider tips to help you cut repair costs and keep your car running like new.